Trigonometryలో మెయిన్ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫార్ములాస్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ సైన్ ఆఫ్ a plus b is equals to sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. Second one, sin of a minus b is equals to sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b. Third one, cos of a plus b is equals to cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. Fourth one, cos of a minus b is equals to cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b. Next one, fifth, tan of a plus b equals to tan plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Sixth one, tan of a minus b equals to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Seventh one, cot a plus b equals to cot b cot a minus 1 by cot b plus cot a by cot b minus cot a. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.